वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट, कैसे हो? ठीक हो डियर स्टूडेंट? आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट है। कार्बोहाइड्रेट के इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज हैं। तो ये नर्सिंग के लिए, पैरामेडिक्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ अ कम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट? स्प्रेक्टोज, स्टार्च, सक्रोज, राइबोज। हमारे पास जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होता है वो स्टार्च है। ये कम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, ठीक है। तो नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज़ द मोस्ट अबंडेंट बायोमोलिकुलर इन द अर्थ? लिपिड, प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, न्यूक्लिक एसिड। हमारे पास जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है तो वो सी है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट। ये मोस्ट अबंडेंट बायोमोलिक्यूल इन द अर्थ। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बायोमोलिक्यूल is simplified refer towards the stop of life? Carbohydrate, vitamins, proteins and lipids. The correct option is carbohydrate. Next, carbohydrate are organic compound composed of which three elements? Carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, carbon, oxygen and nitrogen, carbon, oxygen and phosphorus. हमारे पास जो correct option है वो carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. B has correct options. Next, monosaccharides are the simplest form of the carbohydrate, are made of how many sugar unit? 1, 2, 4 and 3. हमारे पास जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 1। ये मोनोसैकेराइड और सिंपलेस्ट शुगर ये ऐसा होता है क्योंकि ये एक शुगर से बनता है, इसलिए ये पाउडर हाइड्रोलाइज नहीं हो सकता। तो ये अपने जहन में रखा है, तो इसी वजह से ये एक शुगर में मुश्तमिल है, ठीक है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट फंक्शन ऑफ द कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन द बॉडी? जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट का जो फंक्शन होता है तो वो कौन सा ऐसा फंक्शन है जो बॉडी में वो नहीं कर सकते इसी? तो फर्स्ट प्रोवाइड एनर्जी, बिल्डिंग सेल मेम्ब्रेन, स्टोरेजिंग जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन, सपोर्टिंग इम्यूनो फंक्शन. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हैज़ सी, स्टोरिंग जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन। ये काम कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं कर सकते सी। ग्लूकोज इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ विच टाइप्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट? जो ग्लूकोज का जो एग्जाम्पल होता है तो वो कौन सा कार्बोहाइड्रेट है? सी, मोनोसैकेराइड, डाइसैकेराइड, पॉलीसैकेराइड, ओलिगोसैकेराइड. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, मोनोसैकेराइड. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑर्गन हैज़ द ह्यूमन बॉडी स्टोर ग्लाइकोजन? जो ह्यूमन के ऑर्गन होता है तो वो कौन सा ग्लाइकोजन स्टोर करता है? कौन सा ऑर्गन ग्लाइकोजन स्टोर करता है, ठीक है। ए, liver, B, kidney, C, heart and D, brain. The correct option is liver. Which of the following is a disaccharide? Glucose, fructose, maltose, starch. हमारे पास जो correct option होता है वो maltose है. Next, which enzyme is break down starch into a smaller carbohydrate molecule in the mouth? Pepsin, lipase, amylase, trypsin. Correct option is amylase. Next, lactose is composed of which two monosaccharides? Glucose, fructose, glucose, galactose, glucose, sucrose, galactose, fructose. The correct option is B, glucose plus galactose. Next, which of the following is example of complex carbohydrate? Glucose, fructose, sucrose, starch. The correct option is starch. Cellulose is example of which types of carbohydrates? Monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide, oligosaccharide. The correct option is C, polysaccharide. Next, which hormone is responsible for regulating blood glucose level in the body? Insulin, glucagon, estrogen, testosterone. The correct option is A, insulin. Next, which of the following is function of the dietary fiber in the bodies? Providing quick energy, promote health, digestion, enhance muscle growth and increase cholesterol level. The correct option is B, promote health and digestion. Next, which types of carbohydrate is commonly found in milk? Dietary carbohydrate and lactose, fructose, maltose and sucrose. The correct option is fructose, B number. Next, which of the following is example of natural occurring sugar in the fruits? Lactose, maltose, fructose, sucrose. The correct option is C, fructose. Next, which of the following is the primary energy source for the brain? Glucose, fructose, galactose, sucrose. The correct option is glucose. Glucose is the correct option. Next, which of the following is example of non-native artificial sweetener? Sucralose, honey, starch, and none. The correct option is sucralose. Next, which of the following carbohydrate is resistant to digestion and provide no calories? Sugar, alcohol, soluble fiber, insoluble fiber, and resistant starch. The correct option is D, resistant starch. Next, which of the following is carbohydrates commonly found in the honey? Glucose, fructose, maltose, sucrose. Carbohydrate is resistant to digestion and provide no calorie. Sugar, alcohol, soluble fiber, insoluble fiber, resistant. The correct option is C, insoluble fibers. Next, which of the following carbohydrate is commonly used in the honey? The correct option is B, fructose. Next, which enzyme is responsible for the breakdown disaccharide into monosaccharide in the small intestine? Pepsin, lipase, amylase, lactase. The correct option is D. Next, which of the following is common source of the simple sugar, simple carbohydrate? Whole grain, almond, candy, nuts. The correct option is C. Next, which of the following is storage form of the glucose in human? Starch, cellulose, glycogen, dextrin. The correct option is C, glycogen. Which of the following is example of refined carbohydrate? Whole wheat bread, brown rice, white pasta, none of them. The correct option is C. Next, which of the following is common symptom of lactose intolerance? Diarrhea, constipations, abdominal pain, headache. The correct option is diarrhea. Next, which types of carbohydrate is the body preferred source of energy during intensive physical activity? Proteins, fats, fibers, glucose. The correct option is D, glucose. Next, which of the following characteristic of the high fiber carbohydrates? They are easily digested, they tend to raise blood sugar level rapidly, they promote padding of illness, they have low nutrients tendency. The correct option is C, promote feeling of illness. Next, which of the following conditions characteristic by the high blood sugar level and insulin resistance? Type A diabetes, type 2 diabetes, hypoglycemia, gestational diabetes. The correct option is B, type 2 diabetes. Next, which of the following is healthy benefits associated with consuming high dietary fibers? Increase risk of heart and improved weight gain, reduce risk of constipations, increase blood pressure. The correct option is C, reduce the risk of constipations. Next, which of the following is the simplest form of the carbohydrates? Carboxyl groups, aldehyde and ketone group, alcohol and carboxyl group, hydroxyl group, and hydrogen group. The correct option is B, aldehyde and ketone group. Which of the following monosaccharide is majority in found in the human body? D type, L type, LD type, none of the above. The correct option is A, D type.